What's nice about free Google Sites is that you can use them to vet your business idea, but you can also use them for an internal website. I just did a session on cybersecurity and they were asking me about internal websites. Well, what you can do is go to your Google account right here. Let's see, there we go. And you're going to go into Google Sites. Now, you either go to the app keypad, which is right next to your face icon, or these could be initials. Tap on there, and if it's available to you and you've been using it, it'll show up here. If it doesn't, just bring up another window, search on Google Sites. If you're logged into your free personal Gmail account, it will come up here. You'll see your icon or your initials there, and you see that it is here. You can expand out the template gallery, and let's say you put together a internal website. You can just tap on that. It brings it into your free personal Gmail account. You now have this template to be able to utilize and customize any way you want. You can help onboard people this way. It could also be your data center. Let's say you have somebody who's in charge of being the security specialist to give updates of what's happening, all of the information people need if something happens secure wise that goes down, or even if you want to use this as a customer service document on how people can have that information when they're working and dealing with customer inquiries, either by social media or a chatbot, or even if it's in email or by phone. So you can see that this is a great tool for you to have an internal website that you can publish and share internally that'll never be seen by the public, but it gives you a chance to be able to share internal information, just like as we were talking about in cybersecurity, having all of your documentation information here at everybody's fingertips.